Well, it shows up. There's a rainbow. And you notice it's nowhere's near me. It's definitely not where the pot of gold is, this damn place. Well, I don't think I'll be getting my Sudan grass anytime soon. For a while here yet. Won't be mowing anymore anytime soon either. It's kind of normal this time of year. This might be one of the earliest times we've gotten snow, but this might be a good thing. This will set us up for Indian summer now. It's supposed to be back up in the 60s by the weekend. Yeah, too dark up this way. Oh well. That's after Thursday. It's supposed to dry out again, be back up in the 60s, but still this time of year, things don't dry out very fast. So, might be a little bit yet before I can work on that. Like I say, might get dry enough that I can do my third cutting. Grass I got yet to cut before I can do the Sudan grass. What are you gonna do? It's next morning. It's warmed up here some. A lot of the snow's disappeared, but we still have snow on the ground. Like I say, don't know if I'll ever get that chopped. But maybe it's a good thing I did mow it. I didn't go look at the other fields yet, but the wet snow put that down. Not that I can't mow it. I mean, disc vine will mow it, but. And being that it's green, this moisture really ain't hurting it too bad. It's just gonna take longer to dry out. But that was over 6 foot tall the other day, what I couldn't get mowed. You can see, probably can't see too well, but there's ruts there yet. It's raining here now. Water sitting there, so there's a good chance I won't get through that. Oh, I gotta love Mother Nature. And I guess get working on something else. Or maybe I should just go back to the house and go back to bed. Yeah, it's Wednesday. Just another lovely day in paradise. I knew we were supposed to get snow, wet snow. Never expected anything like this though. But like I say, what the hell are you gonna do? The other day they showed all this in the forecast, but you look at the hourly forecast, most of the time was 0%, 0%, a couple 10%, a couple 20% here and there by the hours. It's been just a light drizzle, pretty much constant for the last Tuesday and Monday night, Tuesday, and into today. I guess we get through today. It's supposed to clear up again, be in the 60s and dry through the weekend, but well, there's going to be enough to do anything to dry out enough. But well, hopefully maybe someday here the weather forecast will change. And you go out in the Midwest, dry, dry, dry. You know, that weather pattern's got to move here at some point. But like I say, now that we got the snow, more than likely now we can say we can get Indian summer. It's supposed to be in the 60s this weekend. We'll eventually see some 70s again. We're still going to get some nice weather, but it's just getting frustrating. So, but like I said, this video ain't been much. I mean, it's just going to be a bunch of random clips I made here last couple days. I get caught up here. I got to run for some parts today if I can find them. And we'll talk about this bulk tank problem. I ain't ready for this weather. I hate this weather. I hate this time of year too. I don't know if I'll be able to get any of this Sudan grass. get a video of that here yet. It's flat. I would think because of this. It took less than this to put it flat, so because it was flat yesterday and I didn't get a chance to video it. Like I say, what are you gonna do? Well, that's what's left of my Sudan grass. 2 days ago it was 6-7 foot tall. Now it's flat as a pancake. And that's, we got more snow last night, but this was done with just about 3/4 of an inch of snow. I don't even think we got an inch the night before. Yesterday this was flat. It's the upper side of this field that I mowed there the other day. So, I don't know if I'll ever get this or not. If it does dry up, which is supposed to start this weekend, I mean, we're going to have Indian summer. We're going to get some 60 and 70 degree days here yet. But the question is going to be whether we get enough days here yet where this will dry up some so I can get something more mowed. But that's the thing, snow, heavy wet snow like this, melts slow, soaks right into the ground. There ain't much of this running off. So that's the thing, whether we'll ever be able to get it or not. Well, I gotta mix feed again for no reason. I mean, it doesn't seem to do the cows any good to eat something to milk. But this will probably be what I can end this Sudan grass video on for now. Like I say, until it dries up some and I can do something else with it. So thanks for watching.